Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 8 chapter linear equation with one variable, and we were doing exercise in the last video. We have done exercise 2.3. 2.4 is also application based, so we will do 2.2 and that 2.4 एक साथ करेंगे हम ये दोनों एक्सरसाइज. व्हेन आई टेल यू द बेसिक दैट आइडियाज tricks how to solve the application questions. Okay, before that, as we were solving the equation of exercise that 2.1 we have solved, exercise 2.3 we have solved, and exercise 2.5 is also the same, but here some complications are there. So let us do with me. Solve exercise 2.5. Solve the following linear equations. This is, I have written the first one question as 2 x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 equals to x upon 3 plus 1 by 4. So firstly you just note down this. That is equal to this. Okay, now here you need not to check the answer. Okay, we have to solve it. So आप सबसे पहले वेरिएबल को वेरिएबल के पास ले आएंगे. दैट इज, यहाँ देखेंगे कौन सा साइन है, प्लस साइन इज देयर, इधर लेके आओगे माइनस साइन हो जाएगा. इट विल बी लाइक दिस. देन आफ्टर दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 by 4. दिस विल गो टू दैट साइड, यानी कि ट्रांसपोजिंग हुआ, प्लस का माइनस का प्लस बन गया. Okay, yes. Then after, see, you have to take the LCM of this. 2 and 3 का LCM कितना होता है? That is 6. Now 2 कितने से 6 होगा? 2 3 से 6. So 3 into x is 3x, right? Now minus is there, minus, put minus. 3 कितने से 6 होता है? 3 2 से 6, so 2x, right? Now let us come to this side. यहाँ पे भी आपको LCM लेना है. Take LCM. अब 4 कितने से 20 होता है? 4 5 से 20, so multiply it with 5. न्यूमरेटर को 5 से इंटू करेंगे. This will be 5. Now plus sign is there, put plus sign. 5 कितने से 20 होता है? 5 4 से 20, so this is into 4, right? This will become 4. Now see, 3 में से 2 गया, how much is left? 1. 1 तो हमें लिखना नहीं होता है, so write it x upon 6. That is equal to, this is what? 20, and this is what? 9. So what you will get, see, x upon 6 is equal to 9 upon 20. Now just cross multiply or do one thing. ये हमारा variable है, we have to find the value of x, so keep it here only. x को यहीं रखो, और ये 9 by 20 के पास किसको ट्रांसपोज कर देना है? 6 को ट्रांसपोज कर देना है. Here it is dividing, उधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, राइट? नाउ देखो, ये और ये कट रहा है, किससे कटेगा? 2 से. 2 3 से 6 and 2 10 are 20. So children, what you will get? X is equal to what? 27 upon 10. So this is your answer. These questions are little bit lengthy as compared to as we have done in other exercises. So children, now let us come to the next. So children, I have written the second one question of this. See, the question is n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus this. So all the variables is in the left hand side, so no need to that transpose it. Okay, let us do it. Now see, this is unlike fraction, so we have to take the LCM first. Just take the LCM. Take the LCM. 6 4 and 2 का LCM क्या होगा? I think 6. Then also just do it. 2 4 and 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2. No, it is what? 12. So it is 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Okay. 2 कितने से 12? 2 6s are 12. 4 कितने से 12? 4 3s are 12. 6 कितने से 12? 6 2s are 12. Right? Now just जल्दी से कर लेते हैं इसको. 6n minus 3n into 3 3 3s are 9n, then plus 5 2s are 10n, right? This is equal to what? 21. Okay, now You can transpose this, or you can transpose this to RHS. You can do it in this step, or further also we can do. Let us see. Now see, this is plus 1, this is plus and this is also plus. ये दोनों ही नंबर प्लस वाले हैं, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हैं, तो इन दोनों को हम पहले करेंगे. 10 plus 6 is 16n, right? इसको और इसको हमने पहले ले लिया. This is what? 16n minus 9n, right, upon 12. That is equal to 21. Okay. Now it is equal to 16 minus 9 is 16 minus 9 is what? 9 में से 16 में से 9 गया 7. 7 upon not 7, 7n upon 12, that is equal to what? 21. Now just see, 7n is equal to what? 21. इसको हमने ट्रांसपोज कर दिया, इधर लेके आ गए तो ये मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, right? It will get multiplied. Now what will happen? See, 7n is equal to children, write it like this only, no need to multiply it. Okay, why? Because see here 21 है, यहाँ पे 7 है, तो हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, हम इसको बाद में कट कर देंगे. Now see, with variable this number is there, so just here it is multiplying, उधर लेके जाएंगे तो क्या ट्रांसपोज करते हैं इसको. 21 into 12 आ गया, जब इसको इधर लेके जाएंगे we'll get what? Divided by 7. Now just cut down. 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. Now multiply it. 12 threes are 36. So what is your value of x? X is equal to what? 36. I think now you understood. Okay, now come to the next. Okay children, now see, I have written the question. In the question you have to firstly solve this and then this. Okay, so write down this first. या फिर आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि सारे वेरिएबल्स जस्ट कीप इट इन LHS और जो नंबर्स फ्रैक्शंस हैं वो आप RHS में लेके चले जाएं. सो फर्स्ट तो नोट डाउन दिस. This is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. Then see, this is upon 1, this is upon 1. Okay, now this is variable and this one is variable. सबको एक जगह ले आओ. ये आ गया x upon 1. This is what? minus 8 ना, minus 8x upon 3. इसको जब इधर लेके आएंगे this is carrying minus. अब ये क्या बन गया? plus 5x upon 2. This is equal to 17 upon 6. जो उस साइड RHS में लिखा है पहले उसको लिखोगे. 17 upon 6. Okay children, we are at here. This one, इसको भी उधर लेके चले जाएंगे. देखो यहाँ पे क्या साइन है? प्लस का साइन है. It will become minus here, 7 upon 1. Right? Now, see, unlike fraction इसको like बना देते हैं. LCM is 6. Now 6x, 1 6 are 6 तो into 6, 3 2s are 6 तो into 2, 2 3s are 6 तो into 3. बस simple. अब इसको कर लो. 8 2s कितना आया? 16 आया. 16x. ये फिर प्लस का साइन है. Then 5 3s is 15x. Okay, this is equal to. अब यहाँ पे भी देखो 6 और 1 LCM will be 6 only. This is 17 minus 7 6 are 42. Okay. Now see, next will be. अब देखो ये वाला प्लस का है और ये वाला प्लस का है. इसमें गलती नहीं करनी है. Just see the sign in front of the number. In front of this is plus sign, in front of this is minus sign, in front of this is plus sign. So plus plus. Firstly you'll do plus. Okay. So 15 plus 6 is what? 21x, right? Minus 16 minus 16x. Do step by step, no problem. एक साथ पूरा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Do step by step. 17 minus 42. 17 में से 42 जाएगा? नहीं. 17 is a smaller number, तो 42 minus 17 करोगे कितना बचेगा? This is 12 में से 7 गया, that is 5. Then after this is what 3 1 2 25 upon 6. Right now 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay. Now next is 21 minus 16. 21 minus 16 is 21 minus 16. 11 minus 6 is 5. And this is what 1. 1 में से 1 गया 25 upon 6. Okay. Now see here this is the fraction. This is multiplied by x. See 5 by 6 is a fraction multiplied by x, that is equal to 25 upon 6. आप इसको अलग भी कर सकते हो. X is multiplying with this fraction. When it will go that side, it will become division, right? Divided by what? 5 by 6. Now it will become 25 upon 6 into what? 6 upon 5. Now children just cut down 6 and 6 and 5 5s are 25. So what is your answer? Answer is 5. Okay. Now come to the next question. Children, I have not done fourth question as that is simple question. You can easily do it if you have done question number 1, 2 and 3 with me. Okay. I am just now doing 5 and 6 for you. Okay. Right children. So be with me. Question number 5. 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3. You just note down this first. हमें पहले नोट करना ही चाहिए ये. That is why I am just noting down. You also have to do this. Okay. So now see this is upon 1. लिख लो ताकि कोई आपके दिमाग में कोई confusion ना रहे कि हाँ LCM लेना है या नहीं लेना है. Okay. Now see. Both are what? Unlike terms. तो फिर हमें क्या करना है, इसको like बना देना है. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now this is what? Keep it in bracket. 4 कितने are 12? 4 3s are 12. तो into 3 करेंगे. 3 कितने are 12? 3 4s are 12. तो into 4 करेंगे. Right? Now just write 3 into what? ये पूरा का पूरा ऐसे ही लिखोगे आप. ब्रैकेट के अंदर डाल के लिखोगे ताकि कोई मिस्टेक ना हो. Okay. Minus 2, not 2. What we have to multiply? 4. 2t plus 3. Right children? This is equal to, यहाँ पे भी LCM ले लेते हैं इसका 3. This is 2 minus what? 3t. Okay. Now see, 3 3s are 9. You have to open the bracket now. 3 3s are 9t minus 3 2s are 6. See this one, then this one. Okay. Then minus. Minus sign is there. 4 2s are 8. 8t. Now see minus plus minus. 4 3s are 12. Okay. This is upon 12. This is equal to 2 minus 3t upon 3. Right. Now see what we have to do. 9t minus 8t, that is 1t. Right. 1t. Now minus minus क्या करेंगे? करेंगे plus. Sign आएगा minus का. 12 and 6 is 12 plus 6 is what? 18. Right. We are having t minus 18 upon 12, that is equal to 2 minus 3t upon 3. Now you can see question number 4 is just like this. So you just see this and you can solve the fourth one question. Now see here what you have to do. You have to just do the cross multiplication. Okay. So this will be 3 in bracket t minus 18 and that is equal to 12 in bracket 2 minus 3t. Right. Now 3t minus 18 3s are 54. This is 54. That is equal to 12 2s are 24 minus 36t. Right. Then this is t, this is t. So bring it this side. This is 3t plus, this is minus ना, इधर आएगा ट्रांसपोज करने से, it will become plus. This is equal to 24. ऐसे का ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. बच्चे ये गलती करते हैं, इसको उधर कर देते हैं. नहीं, as it is जैसे लिखा है वैसे लिखोगे. इसको जब भी लेके जाओगे तो इस नंबर के पीछे आएगा वो. This is minus, it will become plus. Okay, this will become what? 8 and 7, and here we'll get t. 36 plus 3 is 39t. Right? T is equal to 78. Here it is multiplying. उधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Divide हो जाएगा. 2 So what is our answer? T is equal to 2. Children, it is very important question. आपके एग्जाम में ये मोस्टली ये क्वेश्चन तो आता ही आता है, एंड 3 मार्क क्वेश्चन इट इज. सो केयरफुली जस्ट डू इट, सॉल्व इट. एंड वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई जस्ट टेल यू. So children, this is also, as question number 5th is very important, question number 6th is also very important. Okay, so please carefully just listen to me. बाद में आप नोट करिए, पहले ध्यान से देखिए. ओके, नाउ से m minus 1 upon 2, 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. इसमें बच्चे बहुत गलती करते हैं, आपको गलती नहीं करनी है, ध्यान से देखना है. ओके, नाउ सी, इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है, दैट मीन्स 1 is there. इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब 1 is there, right? नाउ सी, LCM is what? 2. 1 2s are, this is 2m, right? Minus this is what? 2 1s are 2, तो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है 1, तो हमने इसको ऐसे ही लिख दिया, बट आई हैव रिटन इन ब्रैकेट ताकि आपकी हैबिट रहे. देन आफ्टर सी, LCM is what? 3. Here is what? 3 into 1 into 3 is 3. That means numerator को भी multiply करना पड़ेगा. This is m minus 2. Right? Now see, this is what? 2m minus m minus is plus 1 upon 2. Okay? Then is equal to, this is 3 minus m, and minus is what? Plus 2. Okay? Right? अब ये पूरा का पूरा है, ये पूरा का पूरा है. Okay? Now see, 2m minus m is what? इसको simplify कर लें हम. 1m plus 1 upon what? 2. This is equal to 3 और 2 है. 3 plus 2. ये भी प्लस का है, ये भी प्लस का है. 3 plus 2 is what? 5 minus m upon what? 3. Right? Till here it is clear to you? Now just do what? Cross multiplication. So what you will get? You will get m plus 1. दोबारा से इसको लिख रहे हैं. Just see. This one will come this side and this will go this side. Okay, this is 3 in bracket m plus 1. That is equal to 2 in bracket 5 minus m. Clear children? Till here it is clear? Now see, 3 को पहले इससे करोगे फिर इससे करोगे, तो this is 3m plus 3. Okay? Then this is equal to 2 5s are 10 minus 2m. Okay? Now see, variable one side, number one side. So this is what? 3m minus है, इधर आएगा plus हो जाएगा. That is equal to 10. Here is plus. It will become minus. This is what? 7, and here it is 5m. So m is equal to what? 7 upon 5. So children, I think this is clear to you. You can check it also whether it is right or wrong. That check, you know how to check this. Okay children, मिलते हैं next video में. I'll continue this in my next video. Till then, goodbye, namaskar, and subscribe my channel, share my channel, as well as like my channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get the updated videos. Okay children, goodbye.